demanded funds should be allocated within time frame. The funds should be allocated smoothly to ADC government for development of TT-ADC areas. And the third is Kokborok. The Kokborok Roman script, inclusion of Kokborok. The Roman script, it is a demand for more than 50 years. So they have not accepted that. BJP are saying they are doing for Tiprasa. If they are doing for Tiprasa, then why not Roman script? Kokborok should be included in Roman script. And the other point is, if BJP or any other leader who are saying so-called Tiprasa leader, they are really incompetent. Why I will say they are incompetent? Because if they are so much in favor of Tiprasa or talking for Tiprasa, then they should have come out of their closet and they should have talked about Tiprasa, about the Roman script, about TT-ADC election, but they are doing nothing. That's why I would like to tell them, I would like to give them a message. The air you are breathing today will be a poison for your future generation. So speak for your rights, speak for your Tiprasa, be a Tiprasa.